Morning everybody, what a lovely day. Another week of working for all of us and come to the weekend and start enjoying ourselves. Hopefully you'll all grab a chainsaw and start carving or do some sort of carving. Sun's out, this week's not been too bad actually, so everything's starting to dry out lovely. So I'll show you what I mean with the old daffodils. They're starting to come out now, so they go right up the orchard, which is absolutely lovely. Right, I've had a think. So I am going to do that owl. I am going to do this. I am going to do this project, but as you can see, I want this to be a real nice project. So the owl there, and then a squirrel, and a fox, and blah blah blah. I'd like to add to that and like really do the country scene in that, and do it that way. So what I am going to do is block that out probably, and do that in separate videos, and then make a complete 1 or 2 part video about that one, because I want to take my time on that. So hopefully I just want to have some fun today, so I'm going to do hopefully some up from one of my best mates. He's got 3 lovely kids, Isla, Eden, or Eden's the eldest, Isla and Freddie. So I want to do them. I'll tell you what I drew last night, and then they can have this, and then they can paint it and mess about with it. So that was I'm going to do a little Tiki mess around Tiki thing. So that was my first drawing. Hopefully you can see that. And then it's either that or this. So, and then they can paint it, and I might do the eyes, you know, and paint that and everything else. So I'm just going to do this, give that to them, and they'll be over the moon, because they watch these. They, you know, they're not very. I mean, they're at school. The two girls are at school. They love it. So I thought, payback time, baby. Let's give them a little present. So I'm going to do a little Tiki, mess about with a little Tiki if I can, and hopefully I can. So what I'll do is I'll set this camera up. The dogs are here somewhere as well. I don't know where they've gone. But it's not a bad day. A bit blowy. But the sun's out, that's the main thing. So this is a piece of larch. This here. There you go. I don't know what it is. 12 inches wide, I suppose. 2 foot high. Something like that. So, hey listen, I'm just going to mess around. I've never done it before. Like I've never done a lot of things when it comes to carving before. But I thought, well, do you know what? With like a Tiki sort of characteristic sort of thing, you can just go with it, man. I mean, if you mess an eye up, get rid of it. You can have one eye. Might scare everybody, all the kids, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to have a go at a Tiki, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll draw this on, and then I'll set the camera up, and we'll go from there. And hopefully the sun will just keep rising up above the trees. So, right, bear with me, won't be long. Right, I've drawn on the whatever you call it, Tiki, whatever you want to call it. I've not really seen anyone carving many of these. I have, they do, yeah, but yeah, not explaining it. So just going to go with the flow and see what happens and take it from there, really. I think their noses are pretty flat. It's not like a wood spirit where their faces are meant to look half human or whatever. So it's just more of a characteristic, I think. I might be wrong, like I said. All this is a hobby. So I'm going to crack on. I got the MS 170. Probably got that wrong. No, I got it right for once. With a 12-inch carving bar in it. And I'm just going to try and do his features. I want his eyes to really like be not sunken in, but like really be bulgy. His nose is going to be prominent but flattish, and then we'll do his mouth. I don't know what that is, their little design, and this is meant to be a little sun. It's just that they can paint it then, can't they? And it's just, I think it's quite a nice thing to do, and hopefully we'll see. And if I enjoy doing this, we'll do a few more, because I quite like it actually. I quite like the characteristic of it. So hope everybody's well, and I can't put the music I'd like on this because I get done, so you'll have to listen to some normal stuff. But right, let's get carving. I will just let the chainsaw warm up. If it starts at all. Right, how am I going to position myself? I am right in that back there. We'll try that, shall we? Let's have a look and see. Yeah, he's in there. Sorry, yeah, hey, listen, I ain't got nobody else here, so it's just me. Right. Right, that'll do, I reckon. I think so. Get the rough shape of him. A little bit of wood just comes out there. If I can take that off. Sorry. So, okay. It is what it is, I think. Let's keep going. Right. Right, I reckon I like him. Do you know that? He's pretty cool. He will be for the kids and stuff. I'll spin him back. No, whatever. Jesus. He's coming. I'll just tidy up with these cheeks. The thing is, because I'm making the eyes bulbous and the cheeks bulbous, I want to try and get him obviously smack on, not looking like he's got Bell palsy or something. Do you know what I mean? So, but this is large and it's soaking wet. And I remember when I did the owl, which ended up cremated. I might try and keep this a bit thicker and do his teeth smaller, because I'd have loved him to have had big teeth. We'll see. But I might do his lip smaller, because I don't want it chipping too much. Sorry, thicker, because I don't want it chipping too much. And then this was just a little bit of design just to go around the back, just whatever. I'm not going to do the back of him. So I'm going to, yeah. I'll do the mouth and everything. I'm just going to have a break for 5 minutes because it's a beautiful day. And unfortunately, until we get a little bit longer into the summer, the sun doesn't really catch here. And then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. The microphone's still on, not on the floor. This seems to be recording okay. Sun's out, I've had a bit of a break, job's a good one. Right, listen, I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm just freestyling this, you know? And why not? It's ace, isn't it? You just have a laugh, and it's quite nice actually just to do some of the... I haven't got to worry about too much. Obviously I want it to turn out good, but I don't really know. I think you just go with the flow. So let's keep going and see what happens. I don't know what I'm gonna, I don't know whether to taper these back. Probably will taper that one back and then taper that one down into that one. I don't know. I ain't got a clue, and I don't really care. Just going with it. So hope everybody's well. Hope you're all doing what you're enjoying. Dogs are happy, they're in the sun. I don't know where Rolo is. Where's Rolo, Frank? Tiki, Tiki, Tiki. Yeah. Do you know when you get those good days, you feel good, it just feels like the moon could crash and you deal with it. I feel really good today. Microphone out fell off. I think this is still recording. Yes it is. I think he's coming on alright. He, she, non-binary, whichever he is. I don't know what to do. I gotta be careful with that. That's thin. That is thin. But I'll cut his teeth. I'll mark his teeth on now, and we'll cut his teeth in, and then I'll just tidy him up a little bit, and then try and shape these eyes a little bit. Yeah, tidy him up, and we're not a million miles away, I don't think. I found Rolo, by the way. He was sunbathing down by the shed. Right, brilliant. Be back in a minute. Okay, let's see how we go on. Right, there we go. Microphone's still on. I'll change the battery in the tape. So what I'm going to do now, I think we're pretty much he's blocked out, basically. You can mess about with him all you want, but at the end of the day, you know, he's a present for the kids. I think I'm just going to give him a little bit of he is wet. I'll take a bit of this wet wood off the back still. But I think if I just I'm going to just tidy up this bit. Just tidy this up. These arrows, whatever you want to call them. Put a die grinder into his nose, shape that up a little bit. I mean, like I said, it's not a wood spirit. And then sand this up a little bit, shape this a little bit, get the die grinder out, drill it, just mess about with his eyes, and he's pretty much done. I don't know what the time is, but he didn't take that long. I mean, I know he's rough, okay, so let's not, but I like him. He's quite funny. So yeah, I'm going to mess about with him now, and we'll take it from there. The hardest thing is getting these cheeks and the eyes right. You think you get them right, then you look at them from above, and one's out here and one's in there. But I think I've got them not a million miles away, where I can just start a bit of finesse, tidy him up, make him look smart, you know? Tidy all this up. And then this is the sun, which they can you know, they can do what they want, but they can paint it yellow. And then what I'm going to do then is get all the rays sort of like just flicking around. Yeah. Ted the Tiki, I like it. I like him a lot. Mess about, and if I got a chance today, I might do another little quick video of a quick carve. This is ace because you just really got to move the chainsaw, and it's quite tight and everything else. And it is quite good actually, it's good practice for me. So, yep. So okay, let's do that. Right, I'm not going to lie to you, looking like that, that sun is right in my eyes, and it's doing my head in. So let's see if we can get this. Are we in? Yeah, I think we are. Right, we're in. That's better. Older age don't come alone. So I'm just going to take a seat while I do his teeth and down here, and then tidy this up. We'll get in there, baby. Okay, I do apologise, the battery went flat. Okay, so the microphone went flat, but you'll see me doing a bit of sanding. But here he is. There's the old Tiki man. So I like him a lot. I do like him actually. He's quite funny. He is what he is. He's for the kids. He took me about 3.5 hours. I'm going to stay in him. I'm not going to do anything with him. You know, because they can do what they want with him now. They can paint him. They can paint him all different colours. Do what they want. Write their names on him. Graffiti him. I don't care because it's for them. But I was thinking, I got the old cup of tea on top. If you had these sat next to your chair at a barbecue or something, what an excellent beer stand, you know, or you could have nibbles and all that sort of stuff. So I enjoyed doing it. I did burn him a little bit, not a lot, just around his eyes and stuff, just get rid of a bit of fuzzes. But this larch is so wet, but it is so smooth when you sand it and stuff. It's lush. So anyway, that's it. Me and Tiki man, me and Ted Tiki are finished. So glorious day. It's a glorious day wherever you are. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. Whoever's watching, thanks for watching. And there's not many of us at the moment, but if we get a few more, we can have a bit of a crack, have some laughs, and join some ideas up and stuff like that, and hopefully learn off each other. Like I said, still learning. Every day's a learning day. But so have a lovely weekend, everybody. Enjoy what you're doing. I'm probably going to just sort some out now, maybe go and mess with the dogs and then pack up, and that'll be me done today, because yeah, but I got something else to do. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed Ted Tiki. I did, and I will definitely be doing one of these again. So thanks everybody. Bye.